above your fire. We are His people, the sheep of His flock. We are His people, the sheep of His flock. We are His people, the sheep of His flock.
Today's passage from the book of Revelation describes a heavenly liturgy participated in by innumerable people from all nations and races. They are the elect who remain faithful to Christ in time of persecution, the second widow.
A reading from the book of Revelation. I, John, had a vision of a great multitude, which no one could count, for every nation, race, people, and tongue. They stood before the throne and before the Lamb, wearing white robes and holding palm branches in their hands. Then one of the elders said to me, "These are the ones who have survived the time of great distress. They have washed their robes and made them white in blood of the Lamb. For this reason, they stand before God's throne and worship Him day and night in His temple. The one who sits on the throne will shelter them. They will not hunger or thirst anymore, nor will the sun or any heat strike them. For the Lamb who is in the center of the throne will shepherd them and lead them to the springs of life-giving water. And God will wipe away every tear from their eyes." The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.